Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devleena and in today's video I have a very exciting product for you guys. So this is a new launch by L'Oreal Paris and this is the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. So this might look very familiar to you because this has already been like one of the best serums in the US market, and now they have finally launched this in India and I'm so excited to get my hands on this particular product. I have been using this for a couple of days and I will be sharing my in-depth review about this particular product with you guys. So hyaluronic acid has been like a rave in 2020 and everyone is talking about it and everyone is raving about the amazing benefits that hyaluronic acid has on your skin. So firstly, talking about hyaluronic acid is something which is already present in our skin. So these are molecules which hold like 1000 times of its own weight in water. So this is the component which gives your face the moisturization and the hydration that your skin needs. But sometimes our skin gets really dry and flaky and it just lacks the moisture that it needs. At that particular time you would need a hyaluronic acid serum on your skin which will provide you that hydration and the moisture that is needed on your skin. So an hyaluronic acid serum basically gives you the hydrated, healthy and plump looking skin. So if your skin is getting dehydrated or your skin is losing the plumpness and is feeling very dull, then this is a serum which is perfect for you. And if you're like a beginner who is getting into using active ingredients on your face, then an hyaluronic acid serum is a perfect start for you. This is like a key ingredient in your skincare and this actually is recommended by so many dermatologists out there. So now let's talk about this particular product in specific. Now firstly, let me talk about the pricing of this particular product. This one comes in two different sizes. One comes in a 15 ml quantity which retails for 499 rupees and this is the 30 ml quantity which retails for 999 rupees. If you think about it, this is actually very inexpensive because you need only 2 to 3 drops of this and this is going to last you for a really long time. As you can see that I have been using this for about a week now, but it's still like right here. So it definitely will last you a really long time. Now talking about the concentration percentage, this one has 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum and it is in a non-diluted form. So this quantity, the 1.5%, I feel is the right amount of active ingredients that is good for your skin if you are starting with using hyaluronic acid on your face. And this component is so right that if you have like sensitive skin, still this will be definitely suiting you. Now this one increases your skin radiance by 42%, which I feel is a very good claim, and also this one really hydrates your skin, like gives an instant hydration to your skin. Now the formula of this is also very beautiful. This is very lightweight and non-sticky formula and absorbs into your skin like a dream. It blends into your skin really well. Now I just have to mention, in cases of active ingredients, when you're initially applying it, it might feel a little bit sticky, but you just have to give it like 10 seconds and it will absorb into your skin like there's like it beautifully absorbs into your skin and you won't even feel that you have applied anything. So I would recommend using this particular product once per day, and I would recommend you to apply this like at the night time before you go to sleep. That is like the best time, because I feel for active ingredients you should not apply it and go out on the sun. So it is best to use it at night. Another great thing about this particular product is there are no alcohol and no paraben in this particular product, so it is definitely safe for your skin. And if you are someone who doesn't like using paraben on your skin, this is really perfect for you. Now let's go ahead and see the packaging of the product and the application on my face. talk about my personal experience with this particular product. So let me talk about my skin texture. I do have oily skin, but during the winter my skin actually gets really dry, and it's not like dry overall, but I actually get some dry flakiness all over. So I never usually got a solution for that particular thing, but using the serum has actually changed it. Like, this dry flakiness that I used to get on my skin has really disappeared, and it has disappeared like very quickly. Like, I've been using the serum for like about a week now, and it is gone. Like, as you can see right now, I don't have any makeup on my skin, but my skin looks very smooth and very fresh. There are literally nothing on my skin right now, like, touch wood. Also, another thing is that initially when I applied, I was really scared that why is it so sticky, but then I just gave it like 10 seconds and it absorbed into my skin so beautifully, and my skin felt so soft. Like, it felt amazingly soft. And also another thing is that it felt very glowy. Like, it was glowing so nicely. Usually in winter I don't have like a glowy skin, but this particular serum actually helped me to attain that very beautiful plump looking skin. As you can see over here, I deliberately did not use any makeup so that I can show you my skin over here, and you might have seen in the application as well that my skin was looking so plump and so glowy after I had applied this particular serum. And the fact that this particular product doesn't have any fragrance, alcohol, paraben or any colorant, that is a very good thing for me, because serum is the only thing that I apply in the night time, and I really don't want my serum to have any of those harmful components. Now, I don't generally use a lot of active ingredients on my face, so if you are someone who is a beginner and starting with active ingredients, then this will be perfect for you. So if your skin is feeling dull right now and you don't find a solution why and to what to do, you should definitely get this particular serum. This will give you a very beautiful, healthy looking, youthful, radiant and amazingly glowing skin. So this has been like my holy grail product, and I have been loving using this product. Another thing is that if you are from any skin family, definitely do a patch test before you try out this product. I did a patch test on my neck and I did not have any problem with it, hence I continued this on my face. So to sum it up, if you are looking for an active ingredient and if you are a beginner in skincare and you want to have that healthy looking youthful skin and also in a budget, then definitely try this one out. If you have any other questions regarding this product, please leave it down in the comments sections down below. I would definitely love to answer that to you. And also check out the product links in the description if you want to go ahead and buy this one. And that was all about the review of this particular product. I loved it and I'm very sure that you will also definitely love it. And that was all for this particular video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.